Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming what ports you actually have and grabbing the right cable or adapter. This saves time. Plug the external display power in, switch its input to the matching port, and then connect the cable to your laptop or docking station. If you use a dock, connect the dock to the laptop first, then attach monitors. Once done, power both devices on and wait a few seconds for the laptop to recognize the screens. Make sure cables are snug. Next, you open your display settings to tell the system how to use the new screens. On Windows, go to Settings System Display. On macOS, open System Settings Displays. Choose Extend to get more workspace, Duplicate to mirror, or pick a primary monitor for taskbars and docks. Arrange displays by dragging the screen icons so the cursor moves naturally, then set resolution and scaling to recommended values. Once configured, test by dragging a window across screens to verify alignment. To finish, fine-tune color, refresh rate, and night light so displays look consistent. This improves comfort. If a screen fails to appear, reconnect cables, swap ports, reboot, and check for driver updates. You may need the display adapter driver. Once active, optimize performance by assigning GPU preferences, closing resource-heavy apps, or lowering a secondary display's resolution. Finally, save your layout, and if problems continue, try the display on another device to isolate whether the cable, monitor.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.